I'm Matthew Curtin, the CEO of ROVing Intelligence. ROVing Intelligence is an organisation that utilises homegrown technology to deliver services in the submerged infrastructure inspection space.
In theory, we can look at anything that's underwater, any sort of submerged asset or environment. So anything from piles to sheet pile walls, or we can go in and we can do a search and recovery of anything that's fallen overboard or off ashore or anything like that.
Our approach is to do a complete survey of every surface area of submerged materials and enables the customer to make far more educated decisions.
The technology is forever improving, so we're always integrating the latest and greatest things that we can into our products.
We can have multiple types of cameras on the ROV at the same time, scanning devices like the sonar, and all the result that we get out of those we're going to keep and we can analyze in different ways.
So we can be able to supply a service that people can rely on.
My name is Thomas Dillon and I'm the director of a consultancy service based in Tasmania called TD Consulting Proprietary Limited. We pride ourselves on the devotion to excellence, and ROVing Intelligence also share that same passion. So by partnering with ROVing Intelligence, we've been able to couple both skill sets. One of the unique attributes of ROVing Intelligence is the way that we're able to accurately pinpoint by geospatial referencing an area on a pile, a sheet pile wall, a pylon, a defect that can be then observed year on year on.
It's a very adaptable, dynamic company. We can tailor our solutions to the customer. I'm happy to try completely new things in the ROV space.
If you're interested in the services that we deliver with our own homegrown technology, please get in touch with us.